I'm BJ Betts, and this is Formula 23 Red. You know, Formula 23 Red is such a versatile red. It can be used as a solid red. It can be used as a lining red. It can be used, you know, just as a great general red. It's super bright and super intense. And so, you know, it can be used in conjunction with other colors as well. You know, so again, it's just such a great all-around red. So this isn't necessarily a new formula of Formula 23. It's a new color. It has the same efficiency and fluidity, and it runs just as fast as the original Formula 23 black and gray wash system. Like I said, just a new bright, vibrant lining red. Formula 23 was developed for professionals, by tattooers, for tattooers. And keeping that in mind while developing the product, you know, we wanted to make sure it was very user-friendly. And after so many tries, you know, 23 as it turns out, which is how the name came about. Although it doesn't have training wheels, so to speak, this thing, this product is just is phenomenal. Any tips on using it? I mean, man, you know, you would use this as easily as you would any other product, and even easier. It's super strong, super black, super dark, super red. All the attributes that you would expect in a product, it's here. I'm BJ Betts, and this is Formula 23 Red.